Okay, so get out 7-1, day 1, and day 2. I just want to go over the answers with you before I give you more stuff to do with this. So these are my answers for 8 and 14, which was the day 1 stuff. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Usually the mistakes that people make are subtracting, making sure that you subtract everything. So if your signs don't match up, check with other people that you're sitting with and look and see what happened. Multiplying is just distributing. But here's the big thing with dividing. You cannot break up addition, subtraction. So this is your division, but you need to tell me what x can't be. So how did I get 5/4? Because the denominator is not allowed to equal 0. So if I solve that, I would subtract 5 and divide by -4, and that's how I get that x can't equal 5/4. And the same thing on this one. I divided this. I can't do anything else, so I just left it. But what can't x be? Well, look, it never goes away. Factoring. I have to say, what can't this be? So you could do the quadratic formula here, or you could factor. Here, let's just do the quadratic formula. X can't equal -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times 2 times -5 all over 2 times 2. Sydney, she is taking a test.
She's not helping me. I said one word to her. She really has to. You think we're going to cheat when she's standing right there? You're crazy.
Kayla told me that she's scared of cheating her class.
Your class is never cheat.
So this would be 49/4. That was on the recording, just so you know. Algebra II. So if I want to say what x can't be, -3 plus 7 would be 4/4, or x can't equal 1. And -3 minus 7 would be -10/4, which is -5/2, or -2.5. And so that's the extra part that you have to do when you're dividing. Now, if we skip over to day 2, I know lots of people got this done in class, but I just want to check the answers with you. 27 and 30, really important that your f of g is 2x plus 10, and your g of f is 2x plus 5. Number 30, your f of g should be x squared minus 14, and your g of f should be this. If you need more time to look at my work, you can pause the video. And then 41, my answer was 25. 43 was 483. 55 was 1, 56 was -33, and 60, I just worked it out. Tobias was right, and I'll go back and show you the reason why, is Chris didn't replace this x, right? Every x has to be replaced, and so that's why Tobias is correct, okay? So I've left 2 different things for you. Please check Google Classroom. You need to get 2 different handouts from the sub. The first one you're going to work on and turn in, and then when you turn in the first one, you're going to get the second one. Get a start on it if you have time, and then if I'm not here tomorrow, you'll work on that more in class and have a video.